'Twas in my 17th year when I received what I perceived to be a calling from God. I'd been pondering life's universal questions of who am I, why am I here? I knew my heart's desire was to follow God and serve humankind, but how? It would take some time to ascertain precisely what this calling was to. And then one day, I screwed my courage to the sticking post and spoke up to my parents. Father, Mother, I believe God has called me to a life of public service. I want to become a nurse. You would have thought I'd asked to become a scullery maid. 'Twas unthinkable, out of the question. You see, in my day, women of my station, ladies, were expected. May I speak plainly? In that day, women were chattel. Beloved chattel, perhaps, but possessions, nevertheless. 'Twas clear I would need to live my life differently, for no husband of the time would have allowed a wife a career. This decision was not without ramifications. Eventually, when Father allowed my training, Mother was livid with him. So much so, he moved out of our house into some rooms at his club for a long, long time. And then when I traveled, Mother worried extensively, which is what mothers do, I suppose. I had to remind her more than once, Mother, Scripture tells us, when God calls us to some good work, He will keep us and preserve us that we might accomplish it.